Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Arpita. Today I will be discussing why GD is very much important in spoken English. GD meaning is group discussion. Today I will be explaining you all the things, and also on my copy I have noted down everything so that I don't miss any of the points. So listen to me very carefully guys, because I will be explaining you that you should not ignore GD and you should go for it. Why? After watching this you will get to know. Okay, first I would like to say that most of my students or most of the people have asked me, ma'am, why your online institute is not one-on-one, why is it group discussion? Well, there is a reason which I have noticed. When you are talking to a teacher, you have faith on the teacher that the teacher won't be laughing on you, isn't it? Maybe after one time, two times, three times you become nervous, and after that you get that confidence, and it is very obvious the teacher doesn't laugh. In very rare cases it happens, but generally if the teacher is genuine, they don't laugh. So you have that belief that the teacher won't be laughing, and hence you can speak fluently. You can tell, you can express everything. So it is quite easier after taking 2 or 3 sessions. But when it comes to group discussion, which my online institute all about, that there are 7 to 8 students. First I used to do turn on my camera, I used to say to my students, but later on I realized that some people are uncomfortable, so that doesn't matter turning on. Okay, that is secondary part. The foremost thing is speaking, then turning on camera comes. If you are able to speak properly, if you are comfortable in speaking, then you can turn on your camera, that is okay. But at first if you turn on and speak, that becomes a problem. That is the reason, like since a month I have stopped doing it. I have stopped telling my students to turn on. Yes, so there are 6-7 students on each batch. So it happens that when I ask them any question, they become nervous. They feel that other students might be judging me. They feel that they are old student, I am new here. So this kind of thought process comes. Why this thought process comes? Because of people from society. This comes, I have already said before. There are many people who set some kind of belief system on us, that maybe it can come from teachers, family, and mostly, yeah, of course, society. Society makes English a big issue, which is not actually. So that is what you need. If you talk to me personally, then you are comfortable in speaking. When it comes to talking to strangers, that is what you needed. All the time you won't be speaking with me. In reality, you would be talking to strangers, you would be talking to new people, maybe judgmental people. You can't stay back at that point of time. You have to face. So for facing this kind of scenario only, I train from first day, and so that they can set a mentality that these are the people here, group people, and I have to speak. Maybe first 2 days, maybe after 3 days, it can be uncomfortable, but eventually it can be okay. Why it can be okay? Because when I ask each one of them any question, each one of them had different kind of point of view, different human being, so of course different point of views. So after asking questions, I tell my students to have a discussion with each one of them, so that they can talk, they can be familiar with each other of them, and they can also get to know where from they are. And like this only they can get to knowledge of several things. Let's say a person is talking to another person, they will be able to know their hometown, their culture, and several other things. And in case if someone makes any mistake, it can happen that no one knows everything. Okay, so that person, let's say A, doesn't know that mistake, whatever he or she was making, so B corrected that mistake of A. So like this only group discussions are very much necessary. You are free to correct them. So each one of you can be a helper, and a partnership can be formed. That is the reason group discussions are very much necessary guys, and this thing only you all avoid, which you should not do it. One-on-one conversation is okay, talking to the tutor it becomes comfortable. When it comes to speaking to some people, 7 people, then the problem arises. So if this habit if you make from day 1, then it will be okay eventually. That you should keep in mind. Okay, so let's move on to the second point. The second most thing which can be improved is you can gain confidence and you can be smart. Yes, confidence develops guys, tremendous confidence. When you participate in GD, confidence arises and you become smart. That is number 2 point. Number 3 point, let's move on to the number 3. Number 3 one is you can improve your listening capability. Yes, which is very much needed in every aspect. If you are not able to listen someone carefully with all your ears, then that is the problem. When you are listening someone properly, that means you are giving respect to that person. And also sometimes when you don't listen someone, misunderstanding arises. Okay, it can be happen in any aspect, not only spoken English. Okay, I am talking about in general also. So when you're talking in group discussion, when other person is speaking, you should listen to that person completely, then only you can say your point of view. Like this you can improve your listening. If you're, let's say that right now if you're not listening me properly, would you able to understand what I'm speaking? You would feel boring, you would feel bored. If you're listening to someone, the connection happens, you can be connected with that person, and then only the conversation can be longer, and also the conversation can be interesting as well. So if you're not listening properly that person, that means you're not giving respect, and also the conversation will be ended within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and what is the point of talking? So one should have the listening capability very well. So it can only happen if you have the determination, if you are now understanding what I am talking about. Right now if you are listening me properly, please listen, not only listen, implement it. Again and again I am saying, listening is not enough, you should implement them in your life. Otherwise what is the point? I am making this video so that you can understand, the point can be clearer. So guys, listening is the foremost thing. Number 4 point is, you can improve your manners. We think, we have that belief that we are well mannered already, but when it comes to GD, I realized that most of the people are lacking these manners. Why? Because when someone is speaking, they just interrupt it without even asking that, could I give my point of view as well? Can I give my point of view as well? Like this, they don't even say, and they just interrupt and they just give their point of view. That is well mannered, not well mannered, guys. That is not good. That should not be the case. You should be well mannered. Well mannered doesn't mean that all you will be like proper dress up, the things which you think, but whatever thinking you have, that is okay. But the most important thing is, whenever someone is speaking, it happened with me. When I am speaking, someone interrupts me. You should interrupt. If you think that you want to say something, if the other party is speaking too much, then you should say this phrase, could I please give my point of view as well? Like this, if the other person obviously would be saying yes, then you start. Don't jump into that. Like this, you should improve your manners, because this thing is very much important, especially when you are giving interview in job and etc etc. It marks a good impression. So this thing is very much needed, and also it can be improved only in GD only, and also it can be improved only when you give your 50%, and I will be giving you, I always give 50%. So you have to give your 50%, your best. Okay. Number 5 is, you can improve communication skill. Yes, when you are talking to someone, just listen me very carefully and understand why I am saying so. When you are having a conversation with a tutor, you are only improving English, but what about communication? Communication can be improved when you talk to many people, but it can't happen due to several reasons. But when you join GD, then you can improve communication. Why? Because you are getting an opportunity to talk to many people, and hence your communication skill will be improved. So this is very much needed. And I have seen many feedbacks of my students. They used to tell that, ma'am, earlier that they used to come to me and they used to say that, ma'am, I am good in English, but the problem where I am lacking is communication. I am not able to communicate properly. When you are not able to communicate properly, then any language is useless, isn't it? Language is meant for communicating only. So communication can be happened only when you communicate. How it can happen? By participating in GD. And it doesn't mean that you just sit idle and you listen what others are saying. You should listen also, and you should speak also. Both the things happen, and like that you can improve your communication. Number 6 point is, no more hesitation while talking to people. Yes, when you are regular, when you become regular, when you follow all the guidance, whatever guidance I will be providing you, feedback, if you follow them sincerely, if you talk every day with new people and with old people also, it is okay, old people, new people, whatever, but you should talk to new people also. Like this, if you do it every day, after 4 months your hesitation will be improved. You won't be feeling hesitate anymore. So this is also a benefit. Number 7 point is, you can remove your introvert nature. Yes, I am not saying that being introvert, being ambivert, extrovert, it's all their human nature. It's not like it's bad, you should be extrovert. But sometimes being introvert creates problem. What are the problems? You can understand. You know that right now communication is very much needed for everything. Okay. So when you are in introvert, when you don't talk too much, the other person would be can think that you are not interested with that conversation or with the person. So it's quite disrespecting. So you're not disrespecting the person, but the other person can think like that, might be thinking like that, isn't it? So while communicating, while talking to more and more people, I won't say that you will be extrovert. It can't happen. Everyone is different. But at least the introvert nature which you have, that can be improved. this introvert nature you have, this will be like blossomed. Getting my point? Okay, like this it can happen. At least it can improve. Before, maybe you were not talking to someone, but after talking, after participating in GD, you will be talking more and more. You will be asking questions. Okay. So, number 7 point is you can remove your introvert nature. Number 8 and the last point is you can start thinking in English. Yes, this is the problem which many of us face, isn't it? That we can't think in English. If you can't think in English, how can you speak? Always in our mind we are thinking in our native language. So that is the reason we are uncomfortable while it comes to speaking in English. When you practice every day, when you talk with someone every day, it's like brain would be like that only. You would start thinking in English. Whatever thing you would be recalling at night, it happens that whatever thing we recall at night, we recall them in our mother tongue. But after 4 months or 5 months, you would be thinking in English. Yes, I am not telling it like fake, guys. It happened with me and it happened with a lot of people. I am telling my personal experience, and you should go with someone, you should take someone's advice who is having their own personal experience. And whatever I share on my channel, guys, it's my personal experience. It's not like I am copying from anywhere. So these are the 8 points you will be getting after participating in my GD, on the GD, sorry. So I am not telling that that join my institute like that. I am not promoting it. I am not promoting. Okay, the thing is, you will be getting benefited because first thing 100 rupees it is, and it's very affordable. And if you wish to join, then you may join, and you may join other institute as well. But I don't think other institute have this kind of thinking. GD and all, they focus on grammar or one-on-one conversation. Whatever suits you the best, you may do that. Now the rules. Okay. Before participating in GD or before like taking admission in any online institute or anywhere, number 1 rule is patience. You should be patient. You should take the things seriously, whatever the teacher will be telling you. You should be sincere, and you should take the feedback properly, and you should work upon it. Okay. And the 5th one is you should know your flaws while speaking. Yes, that you should have this kind of thinking that yeah, I am not perfect. Most of the people have ego problem, that whenever I correct or whenever someone corrects, they become like their attitude changes. So it should not be like that. You should be aware that you may make flaws and no one is perfect. So someone is correcting you, take it properly and don't get offended. So yeah, that's all for today. And I know that video is lengthy, but it took a lot of time for making this point, for thinking. I made a lot of efforts, and also shooting this video. It's not an easy job to shoot the video straight, isn't it? So that is the reason sometimes I also fumble, because I also get nervous sometimes while talking in front of the camera. It's very difficult, guys, when no one is in front of you. So I did effort, and what is your doing now? You should do is following the things. Okay, please follow all of them, and thanks for listening to me till the end. If you have listened me, then thank you. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If yes, then like, share and subscribe, and also implement this idea. Okay guys, bye, take care, have a good day. Thank you.